I recently made a video called Skincare Routines for Every Black Woman, and I got a question from someone asking me what products I recommended for her skin condition. So I'm making this video with suggestions about what she can do for her particular skin condition. So I got this comment: I'm interested in the type of products I need. I have dry, dull, flaky skin. Okay, so we're gonna come up with a skincare routine for somebody who has dry, dull, flaky skin. I'm gonna link that video up here so you can go back and watch it to see what type of skincare routine you need for your skin condition. But for people who have dry and dull skin, I have a few suggestions, okay? So in my video, I always say that you have core products for your skincare routine and you have accessory products for your skincare routine. So the core products will always be a cleanser, a moisturizer, and sunscreen. And the accessory products are usually going to be exfoliants and products that help with pigmentation. So in this case, she doesn't complain about pigmentation. So we're going to create a skincare routine where she's going to use the core products, so 3 of the core products and 1 accessory product, which is going to be an exfoliating product. So because I like simplicity, I am going to try to give you very few suggestions for your skincare routine, okay? So because I'm not with you, I don't know how sensitive your skin is, I will start with the assumption that you have mild or sensitive skin, and then I will work my way up. So for your skincare routine, if you have dry, dull, and flaky skin, the most important thing that you need to focus on is on the dryness and hydrating your skin. So you want to focus on your moisturizers. You want to use products that have ceramides in them, products that have hyaluronic acid, or products that have glycerin. Okay, so those are products that help to keep the moisture in your skin. So for your routine, if you have sensitive skin, cleanse in the morning with a hydrating cleanser, and then use a moisturizer that has either hyaluronic acid, ceramides, or glycerin in it. And then lastly, use a sunscreen. And in this case, maybe you can use a moisturizing sunscreen. I'll put some suggestions below the video. And then in the evening, you want to use a cleanser as well. And then you want to moisturize your skin. And if you tend to be super dry, maybe after moisturizing your skin, you might opt for a light oil that you put on top of your skin just to trap that moisture in. So the first goal is to get your skin to go from dry to hydrated. So that's the first thing. Do that routine for maybe a month or so, and then we can add something else to your routine to help with the dullness. So in this case, we're going to add exfoliant to your routine. The first exfoliant that we're going to add is an acid, and then the second one that we're going to add is a retinol, and you're going to add those as needed or as your skin can tolerate it. So once you've done that routine for 1 month, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to add acids to your skincare routine. So for example, you will add another cleanser to your routine that has glycolic acid as an example, or lactic acid. Then you're going to follow with a good moisturizer again, and then you're going to use sunscreen. And then in the evening, you're going to use a cleanser that is a hydrating cleanser. And then after that, you're going to use an exfoliant such as retinol, okay? And then after you use a retinol, you're going to put a moisturizer on top, and that's pretty much your skincare routine. Again, I will go over different types of exfoliants and different types of retinols that are in the market, but I would suggest you start with a mild retinol and work your way up, maybe from a retinol to a retinol to then maybe prescription strength tretinoin. But in my experience, I find that not everybody needs to go to the prescription strength level to improve the dullness in their skin. I believe that you can find everything you need over the counter to improve your skin. So to summarize, if you have dry, dull, flaky skin, you want to start by first working on the dryness in your skin. And then after that, you can focus on the dullness in your skin. So your skincare routine is going to be cleanser in the morning, moisturizer and sunscreen. And then in the evening, you're going to do a cleanser again, and you're going to do a treatment step, which is going to be an exfoliating product, and then a moisturizer. So again, cleanser in the morning will be something that's an exfoliating cleanser, glycolic, lactic acid or salicylic acid cleanser. Then you're going to use a moisturizer, and then you're going to use a sunscreen. As an aside, if you can find a product that is a serum with an acid in it, so like a glycolic acid serum or a lactic acid serum, you can use that after you cleanse your skin with a regular cleanser, and then use your moisturizer and sunscreen. But it's very important that you use your exfoliating products separately. So if you're going to use an acid in the morning and a retinol at night, that's usually how I recommend it, because it's not a good idea to use a retinol in the morning anyways. So keep your acids in the morning and keep your retinols in the evening. And also, you don't have to use these products every day. So to start, maybe do this routine 3 times a week, so that your skin has days where you're not using any acids on your skin, and it has a chance to just focus on hydration of the skin. So I hope that gives you an example of how you would create a skincare routine if you have dry, dull, flaky skin. I will make suggestions in the comments. I will make suggestions in the description with different examples of products that I suggest or that I have tried or that I recommend to my patients. Some of these products will be products in my skincare line, so I'm just going to let you know that up front. But I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you have any other suggestions of videos that you want me to make, maybe you have another skin condition that you want me to create a skincare routine for, let me know below and I'll gladly make that video for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.